So unfortunately, dethatching is an annual necessity for me here in Virginia, but this year I made some major mistakes. When you have your 6-year-old kid telling you that the lawn looks bad, it's definitely not a good feeling. This year I'm just dethatching a little bit at a time. So I've done this, it's about 1,000 square feet. And that is still yet to be done.
I did not record the dethatching of the remainder of the yard, but 3 days later this is where we are.
The dethatching was done on the 23rd, August the 23rd, and today is August the 26th. Very slow recovery on the yard this time from the dethatching. And I do believe that is because I cut too much of the grass off at once. So I stressed it with the dethatching. It was already stressed from the heat, and I stressed it with cutting it way more than 1/3. So people, this is just an example of what you can do to your grass if you do not take into consideration the current stressors. Neighbor's yard is looking great over there. This neighbor's yard is looking good. My yard, not so much. As we take a look at what's going on with the side yard, which was seeded and dethatched and everything, it's looking a lot better. Not the same stressors. The white that you see is the tenacity, aka mesotrione, kicking in. More so in some areas than others. The grass looks nice and lush. I have seen evidence of germination in various spots. More tenacity kicking in. But I definitely expect this area to look fantastic in the next week or so. Here I have my RTF seed trays going. They're doing pretty well. I'll be putting these in spots in the backyard. Now the backyard is not in great shape right now either. This is the area here that I will be keeping. It will stop at the swing and go back through here. With the new patio, this is the area that will be completely changed. There will be no grass starting at the swing and going back. This is all going to be rubber mulch. Big changes this fall in the backyard. Yeah, I mean, I made this video in order to share some of the challenges that I'm experiencing right now and to point out that things are not always perfect. As you can see, my lawn is currently in disarray, but fortunately, the fall season is upon us and now is the perfect time for me to fix things. Although I definitely made some mistakes, I'm confident that this will look so much better in 30 days. Well, it's time for me to get to work.